Top 5 Best Power Strip with Individual Switches. In this video, we only show available and our picks for best power strip with individual switches.
Number 1, Surge. 7 outlet, Surge Protector, W/individual, switches. 1080 joules. Number 2, Tripp Lite. Tripp Lite, TLP 76 MSG, 7 outlet, 6 individually controlled, surge, protector, power strip, 6 feet cord, lifetime, limited, warranty, and $25K insurance. Number, the PDU Power. PDU Power Strip, Surge Protector, 150 joules, 9 outlet strips, Surge Protector, Z, Heavy Duty, Electric Extension Cord Strip, 1U rack mount, Protection Power, Outlet Strip, 9 front, switch, Pyle PDBC 70. Number 4. Belkin. Belkin Surge, Protector, W/8 rotating and 4 standard, outlets, 8 feet sturdy, extension, cord, with flat pivot plug for home, office, travel, desktop, and charging brick, lifetime warranty, power strip, 4,320 joules. Multi-plug, outlet, surge protector, power strip, charger, computer, laptop, phone, camera, and more through a single surge-protected extension cord. Number 5. Adjective. Adjective Products, PC100 AAC, Power Strip. Create an organized booth. The Adjective AC Power Center allows you to omit clutter and keep cords organized. Don't break your neck in the dark tripping over cluttered wires. Connect your devices. The AC power unit is constructed with 8 120V 3-prong Edison sockets and a built-in 15-amp circuit breaker that provide lasting power to your devices. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for latest top best product